Do you need to short sell your house? Are you in foreclosure? Are you in some sort of scenario where there's a problem with either the mortgage or the house and you feel kind of stuck? Well, throughout the years of my career, during the market crash of 2007 through 2013, I did hundreds of short sales. I worked with hundreds of homeowners that were upside down on their home, or they weren't upside down until a tenant destroyed the property and that was worth way less than what was owed on it. Or people were in the process of trying to get a loan modification and then didn't, and then they needed to act quickly. Or they were just in foreclosure and they couldn't get the bank to work with them, and now they're kind of stuck. Now, when I was a real estate agent back in the day and doing all these short sales, I was able to help a lot of people out of those scenarios and actually help them get into new properties afterwards by getting their credit fixed and things like that. But there was also some things that I couldn't do as an agent that I can now do much better as an investor, where I could pay cash for the property, or I could structure something with the mortgage and take over the mortgage and give some people money to walk with, even if they're upside down. It's called seller financing. I have a lot more tools at my disposal now than I did even back in the day when I was doing all those short sales. So I have the ability to help people that are in a very stressful situation and help them get creative and get them moving on to something that fits their situation better. Sometimes their mortgage payment is just too high, and if they don't do something right away, they're going to go into default and they're going to ruin their credit, and then they're not going to be able to do what they need to do. You know, there was several people that I was able to short sell back in the day without it ever hitting their credit. The reason why that was important to them is because there are some jobs that will fire you if you foreclose on your property, or if your credit score drops below a certain point. The security clearance that they have will no longer be valid because of that. And so the scenarios like that where I've had to help people out and structure something that made sense for them was very key in helping them get past the problem that they had. And so I don't know what your problem might be, or whether it may not be a problem with you, it may be a problem with the house. But whatever it might be, I've probably seen it before, and I can work through that, and I can be 100% honest when I tell you this, is that most agents don't know how to deal with this kind of scenario. They didn't have to deal with it during the crash, and even the ones that were around during the crash chose not to deal with it because they didn't like it. I thrived in it. And because of that, I have knowledge that most people don't have, especially the agents that are getting involved in the market today. Now, I'm not saying anything bad about agents. They have their place. I was an agent and I sold hundreds of homes. But I feel like in this scenario, when people are in foreclosure, I have more tools at my disposal to actually help people. So if this is your situation, please give me a call. I want to be able to help you. Even if I don't buy it, I can point you in the right direction, because I've been there, I've done it, I've been in the situation myself. So let me know. I'm happy to help you.